Good morning everyone. We just woke up. Well, Sam's still in bed actually, but today is the last day. We're sleeping in bed in a house. This is it. We're going away and it's a bit of a rainy day, but it's not bad for traveling, is it? Perhaps we should have closed the roof lights a little bit more, but we'll see how it looks inside. Ready for the big adventure. Is the puppy ready for the big adventure? Did you sleep well in the house? Gonna live in the van with us for now. Good morning. Labas rytas. Time for the road trip. Road trip! Yay! A big warm welcome to everyone joining us here at Lindy Hop. We are Sam and Gabi, and together with our puppy Basie, we are currently traveling around Europe, exploring all of its hidden gems and making memories in our self-converted campervan. We started in the UK, drove across to Lithuania, and now our plan is to go up to the Arctic Circle and then down to the south of Europe. We will document our adventures in weekly videos every Sunday, so join us by subscribing to our channel, it's free after all, and turn on the notifications so you're made aware of every time we upload a new video, and follow us on Instagram for bonus behind the scenes footage. Driving in this rain, so dangerous. We're just saying that the road's not draining properly, and we just saw 2 crashes and this one looks pretty bad. Hope everyone's alright. Not the best road conditions today.
No, it's bloody horrendous to be honest. I wish we weren't driving at all, but we have to get to Klaipėda for 3 o'clock. Yeah, just hopefully we get there safely.
Basie likes less hot for sure. And he had a nice little haircut there. Nice little haircut. Puppy. Like my purse.
Oh, so nice.
Van life design.
The van life for babushka. We are on our trip finally, and we have made it to this is one of, I don't know, maybe 3rd, 4th biggest city, 5th biggest city in Lithuania. And yeah, we're just popping into a very familiar shop to get some necessary items for a special dinner tonight.
Woo!
I don't think we've ever had so much food. Just got so much food. So much food.
Anywhere.
So yeah, just done a nice little Lidl shop and about to head off, get some diesel and some gas to refill our gas tank. Oh, I've just forgotten. I've got to take everything out of the garage to fill up the... Aye. But once the gas tank's filled, we shouldn't need to fill it again for at least like a few months. But Finland doesn't have any LPG, so I want to do it before we go, just in case we run out while we're there, because that would be sod's law. So I just put in 85 litres of diesel into the van, which is 157 euros. And then I saw this. And I instantly thought it was unleaded. And I thought, shit. Because look, green, unleaded. But no, it is diesel.
We're good.
Woo. We are now out of Cholet, sorry. We're off going to meet some friends. You may know them. They're called Lost in Transit. Izzy and Tom. We're going to go and see them in Latvia in a little village called...
Bausa?
I don't know, what's it called?
Bausa. I think it's called Bausa. We've never been there, but it's kind of on the way to Riga, so it's en route. And we've been following them on YouTube for some time, so it feels like we know them. We've watched so many videos of theirs, although we've never met them.
Yeah, we've just got a spot that we found and parked for night. I think it's next to a river, so we've just filled up on our diesel, which was very expensive. and our LPG, which was not very expensive because it was 2 litres that we had to put in there. So yeah, hadn't used much since we filled it up last time.
Yeah, it really feels like we know them. We've seen so many videos of them, and they've been doing the route of Scandinavia the other way around that we're gonna do it. So we're hoping, we've kind of been coordinating the last couple of weeks, can we somewhere meet on the route? So luckily we will meet in Latvia this evening and hopefully have some nice food together and just hang out.
First country, well, 8th country of the trip.
Woo! We think we can see them somewhere there. Woo! Is that them? Are we excited?
Yes, oh yes, yes.
I knew.
The last friends that we made in a camper van environment were Reese and Amy from our camper van life, and we met them in Scotland in Skye?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the Isle of Skye at Ferry Glen, and they've become some of our best friends, although we don't see them that often. They came to our wedding and stuff, so yeah, some of the best friendships come from vans. So hopefully it's like that with these guys, but who knows, maybe they're proper weirdos, so.
No pressure, we're Sam and Gabi. Hello, hello, hello.
What charges my phone? Is
Charger.
Like, no, but like
Battery.
whole charge, yeah. A quark, a electron, they're all types of a gluon.
Atoms. Electrons.
Oxygen.
Particles.
Yeah!
Morning everyone. So we just woke up and me and Basie, we're having a little morning stroll before everyone else wakes up. We met up with Izzy and Tom last night and we just had a really nice calm little evening, drinking and playing some board games and chatting, and yeah, it was just really nice to meet them. And now before, oh wow, there's just so many dragonflies all of a sudden. I don't know how to capture this, but Basie, can you see them? Just so many dragonflies. Basie, come. Good boy. Let's go.
So we are here with Izzy and Tom from Lost in Transit. If you see our videos, then you've probably seen their videos. They've just been in Norway and done like a loop of Scandinavia clockwise, and we've met them in Latvia here, and we're sort of going anti-clockwise, and they're gonna like finish off the route. Hello guys.
Hello! Look at us, we're in Lindy Hop.
Yeah. We're making ourselves at home.
So we've just gone all the way up to Lufton, and now we are heading down south again. We are going to complete a big loop of Europe, and today we are actually going to be heading out of Latvia and into Lithuania, which is really great because these guys have been able to give us lots of tips.
Yeah.
Cool. And how long are you going to be on the road for?
Whoa, probably quite a long time.
We haven't got an end date.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
wow.
because of the Schengen visas and stuff, we're going to head down to Eastern Europe, and we have to spend 3 months outside of Schengen. So we're going to be in Southern Europe for at least 3 months before we can re-enter and
Doing
go
the
back
Schengen
around.
shuffle.
Doing the
Yeah.
Schengen shuffle, yeah. So we're going to be on the road for a while.
And then, yeah, travel as long as we can.
Nice, living the
As long as
dream.
Bamba survives.
Yeah, go and follow those guys. Super good channel, much better than ours. So head over there at the moment. You never know. We just had some nice breakfast, and we were super lucky because Izzy's just been back to back home, back in England. So of course she had to bring back some Marmite. So it was really nice to have some Marmite with our toast. We'll show you inside the van quickly.
Oh. Just doing a little bed make. Little cheeky fan tidy. It's not looking its finest, but this is the Bamba. This is our humble abode. Our bed goes into a sofa, and then we have a little van life office on the road over there, where all the editing happens. Our little storage area. This is half of this is all of the clothes I own. I think that's pretty impressive.
Wow, that's yeah, that is impressive.
Yeah. Oh, I've got one. I lied. I've got one pillow full of jumpers.
Oh, that's such a good idea.
Yeah.
Damn.
I mean,
It's not
we
comfy.
thought it was a good idea, but that is the worst pillow you've ever used.
It's
That's
a bad
putting your
pillow.
neck out every night.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
And then we've got our kitchen. We've actually got the same kitchen as Sam Gabi. IKEA
Slightly more
classic.
beat up.
Would highly recommend.
Perfect. Yeah, it's a no-brainer because it comes with the worktop and the fronts and stuff. Yeah, brilliant. And a little gas hob.
Little gas hob.
Lovely. Nice tiles.
Yeah.
Nice. A nice tap. Fancy tap.
That is one of the only things that survived from the original owners. This sink.
Yeah, so it's quite cool because it's got the shower mode.
No
with
water.
no water. We've run out of water. But I was saying to Gabby, it's
That'll
annoying
teach you
it
for
doesn't
making
stretch.
your reels, won't it?
Oh yeah, what a waste. Don't you worry, all the stuff I wasted I used to wash up.
So we had like an old rubbishy drill that you had to hold the battery in place every time you wanted to use it, and we had a jigsaw which was like a corded, and we were doing it on Iz's mum's drive, and we had to like run 3 extension cables, all like daisy chaining down to the van, and we'd have to park the van, and you'd have to, if you wanted to use a jigsaw, you had to do it on this side of the van near the doorway because you could only just get in. And then right at the end, we invested in good tools. We were like, oh, I wish we'd done this from the start, but
There you have it. You only need 2 tools to build a van.
a jigsaw and a drill, yeah,
And
you really do.
it's funny,
Good
our
experience.
first van, our Transit, we lived in the top floor flat of like some converted terrace house in Brighton, and we used to hang the extension lead from the 4th floor out of the top window and like past our neighbours' windows down onto the street, and if we were lucky we could get a parking spot just outside our house, but yeah, sometimes it was in the centre of the road and we'd have to, it was super sketch. Don't do that. But yeah, good luck on your onward journey.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Down south, and let us know if we can help you with any tips, because we have done the south a couple of times, and we're basically going to go exactly where they went, so if you like their videos then you might like ours.
You guys are doing weekly vlogs, right?
Yeah. Not daily. Not daily.
Yeah, not daily. Come on, we can make them do daily.
See you later. Bye. It was so nice to meet Izzy and Tom. So yeah, of course, if you don't know about their channel, please go and follow them, subscribe to their channel. They've got great content. They post 3 times a week on Sundays, Tuesdays and Thursdays, I think. But yeah, super nice guys. Go and support them, go and buy them a coffee, do all that good stuff.
What do you think?
Yeah, it feels strange here. I mean, it feels somewhat familiar, like almost Liverpool-esque or some sort of like Western European country like Belgium or something, because the roads are like lined with these like 5 or 6 story, maybe even more, buildings down this main straight. It's interesting. It doesn't feel like Lithuania or Vilnius at all.
Crossing the border into Estonia. Last couple of days we're in Latvia, and it was quite a nice start to the trip actually. The weather was good, we had some rain, but overall it was quite good. We met a lost in transit, which was lovely. Then after that we went to Riga. I had a walk around. Sam's never been to Riga, so you quite enjoyed Riga, I think. Short visit in Riga?
Yeah, it was nice. It was very beautiful. It was very different to Vilnius, different to Lithuania, which I didn't expect. I expected it to be super similar. So that was nice, yeah. I can say that I've been to Riga.
Yeah. We parked by the sea, which also was a really good spot we found on Park for Night. It was a bit close to the road, so we could hear the trucks starting quite early in the morning, but it was really close to the sea and easy to get back onto the main road. And now we're in Estonia, which is a little bit of shopping because we're preparing for prices to be a lot higher in Finland and Norway and Sweden. So I think the food should last us next couple of weeks. So we're quite loaded with lots of goodies and canned things and just preparing for the trip. Tomorrow our ferry leaves at 11:15 and we've got to be there about an hour beforehand, and I just checked they will look at our passports and Basie's passport, so I would like to be there quite early. So tonight we're gonna drive to Tallinn, find a spot not too far from the ferry station. Do you say ferry station?
Dock?
Port. Ferry port. Yeah, in preparation to cross into Scandinavia. So this is the last bit of Baltics, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And we're really excited to hear for some tips where to stay in Finland. We've got some ideas, but we're always open to more suggestions. So any suggestions for Finland, drop us a line here on YouTube or on our Instagram as well. We post some silly reels every now and then, and just kind of, you know, behind the scenes bits and interesting facts, etc. See you soon, and tune in on Wednesday for our next video.